Hello students, this is Renu and today I'll cover phrases and clauses. Usually we get confused between both. What is a phrase and what is a clause? I hope after watching this video there will not be any confusion. So let's begin with phrase. What is a phrase? It is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. Means it's a part of a sentence. It is a part of a sentence that makes sense but not complete sense. It does not contain a verb. Example, the sun rises in the east. So here the part in the east is a phrase. She is knocking at the door. Here at the door is a phrase. So as you can see, these words are making sense but not complete sense. So what is a phrase? A group of words that make sense but not complete sense. If I write only in the east, so nothing will be clear to you. Okay? Next example, the boys are flying kites in the sky. So here what is a phrase? In the sky. So what is a phrase? Basically, it is a part of a sentence that makes sense but not complete sense. Okay? It does not carry a subject or verb. I hope it's clear. Now, clauses. What is a phrase? It is a part of a sentence that makes sense and contains a subject and a verb. Examples, people who work hard get success. So here in this sentence, who work hard is a clauses. What is it? It is a clauses. Who work hard. So as you can see, it is a part of a sentence making sense and carry subject and verb. So this is the clauses. Next one, we cannot start while it is raining. We cannot start is also a clause. While it is raining is also a clause. In this sentence, we have two clauses. One, we cannot start, and another, while it is raining. One is dependent clause, another is independent clause. We'll study in detail in a separate video. But now we need to know what is a clause. Clause is a part of a sentence that carry a subject, a verb. It makes sense. Sometimes it can make complete sense or sometimes it cannot make complete sense. But the part of a sentence that carry own subject, own verb, that is called clause. I hope it's clear to you. Now difference between phrases and clauses. Phrase, group of words. Same for clauses also. Group of words. Phrase makes sense. Clause makes sense. So a group of words that makes sense is called phrase. A group of words that makes sense is called clause. Now you will say, ma'am, both are same. How can we make difference? Okay, so what is the difference between both? Phrases are also part of a sentence. Clauses are also part of a sentence. But phrase doesn't contain a verb, while clauses contain subject-verb combination. How? Let's take example. My father is sitting in the room. So here in the room is a phrase. It is a group of words making sense, part of a sentence, but does not contain a verb. So it is a phrase, not clause. Okay, now example of clause. When I went there, when I went there, I saw him. So here in this sentence we have two clauses. One, when I went there. Second, I saw him. So as you can see, both part both parts are having subject verb combination. So we can say that we have two clauses in this sentence. So part of a sentence that carry subject verb combination, that is clause, and that doesn't carry any subject, any verb, that is phrase. Both make sense. Sometimes clauses also can make incomplete sense. Okay? But it carry own subject and own verb. So let me sum up it. What is a phrase and what is a clause? So both are part of a sentence. Both make sense. Both are group of words. But phrase does not contain subject verb combination, while clauses contain subject verb combination. And sometimes clause can give complete meaning, complete sense, but a phrase never can make complete sense. Means sense तो बनती है but not complete sense. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.